Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have developed a movie recommendation system web app that provides recommendation using cosine similarity. I have used TMDB data and API for the movie details and poster, and I have also included the links in the description below. First, let me explain the web app works, how it's work, which I have created using Streamlit, and at the end, I will explain you the notebook for the recommendation system. So let me enter Dark Knight Rises, and if I click on show recommendation button, basically the system finds the movie in the data set and calculates the similar score with other movies, and it returns the top 15 similar movies. Yeah, as you can see, like for Batman, mm, yeah, Batman, Robin, yeah. So it has been provided the recommendation for the movie which we have been entered. So let me check for Spider-Man 3. Yeah, yeah. These are the recommendation for the movie Spider-Man. Yeah, let's go to notebook now. Yeah. So I have loaded two dataset, one with the movie's detail and the other with the movie's credits. Then I have merged two data frame based on the title column. In order to convert the object to and list or dictionary, I have created two functions, convert one and convert two. Then I processed the data. I combined data sets and focused on key features like genre, keywords, cast, crew, and overview. These were processed into list, cleaned, and combined into a single field called tags. Um, so creating a unique representation for each movies. Once the tags were ready, I converted them into lowercase and applied stemming to reduce the word to their root form. For example, running becomes run, punching becomes punch. Yeah. Use then I have used this count vectorizer. The tags were transformed into numerical data where each word becomes a feature. Finally, I have calculated the cosine similarity, um, which measures how similar two movies are based on the tags. Uh, then, if we simply enter the movie name, uh, it will be returning us the top 10 similar movie here, like because of the index value which I have given here 10. Yeah. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.